It is a beautiful, albeit windy, day for a walk around downtown Eugene. Hi, my name is Hannah Caldwell and I am your local realtor. And if you are thinking of making a move to Eugene, then I encourage you to shoot me an email. My email address is at the link below. But today I want to show you what a true look at downtown Eugene looks like. I'm going to start here at 5th Street Market. This is a beautiful complex kind of in the northern part of downtown that is home to all sorts of good things. Boutique clothing stores, restaurants, shops, you name it. Marché restaurant is a high-end French restaurant. It is also home of Inn at the Fifth, which is a very high-end hotel here in Eugene. Provisions Market, which is a beautiful market. So lots of fun stuff to look at in 5th Street Market. Now we're going to take a quick walk across the street to 5th Street Market's newest expansion, 5th Street Market Alley, home to, of course, Nike and Tracktown USA, but a bunch of other little shops and the Gordon Hotel, Gordon Tavern, and Carlita's Restaurant. Right now I'm walking down 6th Street in Eugene, so this is a pretty major road. I'm about to come to 6th and Oak if you want to follow along on streets where we're at in downtown. We're going to walk through past the Graduate Hotel and the Holt Center for Performing Arts, which is a beautiful space for, oh my gosh, Broadway shows, Eugene Ballet, lots of performers that come through the Holt Center. We are about to cross 6th Street on Willamette, but as you can see here, if you just go down Willamette a couple more blocks that way, there is the post office as well as the train station. This portion of Willamette that we're about to go through past the Holt Center is actually walking only. So despite downtown being a grid system, this is one spot where you can get caught up because it's walking only. It's a nice little greenscape though. I'm crossing 7th now here, but I'm going to take a little jog instead of going straight down Willamette. I'm going to take a little jog down Park Street, which is a cute little alley, so we can pop by the Farmers Market Pavilion and where Saturday Market exists in downtown Eugene. About that, I was just going to take a quick jaunt through the Farmers Market Pavilion, but I forgot it's Tuesday and Tuesday Farmers Market is happening. So let's go take a look. So on on Saturdays, these park blocks are filled with vendors as well, in addition to the farmers market portion. We'll take a jaunt down 7th and head back to Willamette, which takes us to the heart of downtown Eugene. Now we're headed back down Willamette towards the center of downtown. So here you can see we have Broadway Metro Theater, which is a small movie theater. Shoot, I don't know, maybe 6 rooms, and some of them are as small as like 25 people. You can rent them out independently for like a private party, which is very fun. On this side we have a tattoo parlor and John Henry's, which is a local bar. This is Kesey Square here. It could be considered the heart of downtown. So a couple food trucks, Voodoo Donuts, Slice Pizzeria, and then we'll head down Broadway, which has lots of restaurants and bars and all sorts. That is really like, this is our little heart of downtown. This is where you find lots of festivals, downtown Halloween, lots of other fun stuff. Lots of cultural activities that happen at Kesey Square, salsa dancing, all sorts of fun things in downtown Eugene. This is Party Downtown, a fun little restaurant known for their oysters. This bar hosts a lot of events, drag events, burlesque shows, lots of fun stuff like that. Some definitely run down storefronts. Yeah. Baby's not so happy. Now we're gonna turn down Olive Street and cross Broadway and head towards the city bus station as well as our public library. Some of these buildings are part of the City of Eugene office buildings, and this one, and then this is part of the Lane Community College satellite downtown campus. That is our public library. So I just crossed 10th on Olive, and we're gonna take a quick walk through the bus station and kind of around downtown portion of this area. now I'm back at Willamette. I'm on Willamette and West 11th. And if you just go down Willamette, south just this way is Meraki Coffee Company that is owned by a really good friend of mine. There is Addictive Behaviors just kitty corner, which is a fun game spot. And we're gonna go back towards kind of the opposite way. West 11th is a one-way. I'm going against the traffic, and we'll take a look at a street that has McDonald Theater on it, which is a historic theater where a lot of musical performers come and, you know, come through town. Now, turning up Oak Street from West 11th, we'll head back towards Kesey Square. Definitely warm out in Eugene today. Thank God for the wind. Right now I am going under the parking garage on 10th. And we're leaving Oak and going back towards Willamette just to take a quick look at McDonald Theater and then head back down north on Willamette. Turning back down Broadway, I'm gonna head towards Banh Mi to get a little lunch. Wow, lunch was delicious. Now I'm going to head back to Fifth Street Market where I parked. But thank you so much for coming along on this walk around downtown Eugene today. I hope that you garnered a lot of information from it. Again, if you're thinking of making a move to Eugene, please feel free to shoot me an email and I would love to help. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.